device reinitialization in guest. When the device passes to the guest, you need a reinitialization. Usually, it needs a video bias to initialize the device. But the video bias may be modified after its initialization in host. And the modified video bias cannot be re-executed. It may be not work. So this is another challenge needed to handle for graphic Passthru. Next is about the secondary graphics Passthru. Secondary graphics don't use the VGA in the host, and it doesn't claim the VGA cycle. So when this device is passed through to the guest, how let this guest to use VGA? This is another challenge needed to solve. The last one is about the integrated graphics, and that's the IGD. The IGD is dependent on chipset closure, and there may some assumptions on the chipset or the BIOS or even on the driver. So how to solve or avoid this assumption? It's another challenge. So there are the challenges. Next, we will talk about how to solve this challenge and make the graphics how to work. Let's start from the simplest case. It's the graphic is the primary, and it's also is a discrete device. For the legacy VGA challenge, we can one map the VGA resources, the I/O port, MMO, register. That the address is the same also in the guest. So you want the guest, the other guest in another device in guest can use this VGA. You need to identity mapping the address, so it can access the physical VGA in VGA resources. The next is about the VBIOS re-execution challenge. There are two cases. I mentioned some video BIOS have re-execution issue in the guest. So, but some have no problem. So, for the no problem re-execution issue case, it's simple to handle. The primary graphics, its video BIOS will be put at a fixed address in system memory. That's 3 port value. So we can copy the video BIOS from that address and then copy the BIOS to the guest. So it's simple to handle this. But for the other case, it's a little more complex. It needs a tool to dump the video BIOS from the device ROM. For example, you can use the NVIDIA's BIOS editor Nebito to dump NVIDIA class video BIOS, and then load the video BIOS file to the guest ROM, and then last also copy the BIOS to the guest. So this is the simplest case. Next is the secondary discrete graphics Passthru. It's also easy. But it's the main difference before the last case is it needed to clean VGA cycle and to let the advanced device to access the VGA. And the legacy VGA is handled the same. One thing needed to talk about the video device is in this case it only can use the tool to dump the video device because the secondary we don't know where we don't know the memory address of the video device of the secondary graphics. So we only can use the tool to dump the device and load and copy to the guest. Okay, here we will talk about the IGD. IGD, there need some extra changes to handle the assumptions on the chipset or BIOS. The assumptions are mainly common in recent Intel recent chipsets. So we take Intel Q45 IGD for as an example. The first assumption on the chipset is some registers. The driver will query the graphics control register of the host to decide allocate how many system memories for this device, and also the Linux will check the vendor ID and the device ID of the host bridge to judge if it's a compatible chipset. If it's not, it won't load the driver for it. So our solution is to intercept the reads to this register in guest. You know that the emulated host bridge in guest is unaware of this this assumption, and the emulated host the offset of this registers in emulated host bridge, the value is different. So we need to return the physical, the real value of the physical host bridge of this register to the guest. Then the driver can work in the guest. The next is about the device PDF. The video files have hard-coded the PDF, the IGD PDF to 0 to 0. So if we find the IGD PDF is not 0 to 0, so it will fail. So cannot initialize the device. So the solution is simple. We can specify the PDF to the guest to the IGD in the guest. So can fix it. The last one is about the device reset. Passthru required device be reset to a correct status before assigned to a guest. But we found in the Q45 the IGD doesn't the FLR capability is not being exposed by the device, but actually this capability is supported. So it cannot be reset by the standard PCI reset method. So we need the solution is to need some